Semen retention suffocates the dopamine shots. Your brain's dopamine wiring is going bonkers because you're suddenly forcing it to withdraw all the huge shots of dopamine that you would normally get from PMO and other things that give you instant gratification. As a result, you are depressed and bored with your daily activities. It's nothing more than a consequence of your withdrawal, and it will soon be over as your brain adapts and the dopamine circuits revert to their original wiring. It is difficult to transition from instant gratification to delayed gratification. You're essentially changing your identity. It is natural to experience resistance from your brain because it dislikes unfamiliar things as well as fresh and uncomfortable situations. So keep going, and this will pass. And the new you will be much happier and more satisfied with himself. As the addicted behavior has been written, you will now experience genuine happiness rather than artificial, abused, or forced happiness. However, dopamine deficiency is not the primary cause of a decline in sperm retention. Depression occurs when you retain for nothing, no goal, no end in sight. And because this bursting force of creation has no way to escape, it causes depression. Napoleon Hill forewarned about it, stating unequivocally that sex energy is too strong and that it is its innate desire to be expressed. So if you don't let it out through other channels, it will wreak havoc on your insides. It is analogous to constructing a dam on a river. If you do not redirect all the accumulated water, the dam will eventually overflow and cause a flood. As a result, you must learn to channel your sexual energy into other forms of creativity. Sexual transmutation essentially means expressing your sexual energy through a creative activity or something or anything you are passionate about. It was used by great men to create amazing works of art, invent marvelous things, or become great leaders, like Abraham Lincoln. It is the art of experiencing and anticipating sexual desire and not stifling it, rather allowing it to flow into any form of creation, be it music, politics, arts, your job, or even just relaxing and imagining the joy of life that is to unravel soon in your physical experience, as stated in Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich. Simply put, it is the intentional and deliberate redirection of your sex energy to raise your vibration. And you will notice a difference if you raise your vibration and then attempt any kind of action. The action will feel natural and joyful. You'll be filled with inspiration as well as a deep satisfaction. This is easier said than done, so continue to practice. Give your attention a deeper meaning. Dive deep and consider why you started in the first place. What are you hoping to gain from it? And then begin to deliberately redirect this energy toward the goal that comes to mind. Stop playing small and go all in. This power will not be satisfied if you only use it for trivial tasks. It is intended to inspire and evoke greatness, and the more you deny it the opportunity to express itself, the worse it will make you feel. That is the harsh reality. This is why only a few are capable of commanding it, and those who do leave a mark in this world. You already know the answer. No one can dictate that to you. How to use it properly. It is highly subjective and based on your personal life experience. So look within you and let go of your five senses. Connect with your subconscious and search for your answer. It will come as long as you remain persistent. Everyone would be happy if it were simple. Just remember to let go of your resistance and look for the answer without judgment, and you will be surprised and satisfied with what comes up. Thanks for watching. If you like our stuff, subscribe for more motivational content. See you in the next video.